Hello everyone. Welcome back to Yalla English with Muna. Today we are going to practice daily life English conversations from morning to night. Waking up, school or work, cooking, cleaning, talking with family, and some extra everyday situations. Grab your notebook and repeat after me. Let's get started. Start morning routine. Good morning, Faleh. How did you sleep?
Good morning, Muna. I slept well, thank you. And you?
I slept very well too. Now I'm going to brush my teeth and get ready for the day.
Okay, I will make the bed and prepare breakfast while you get ready.
Great. After that, we can have breakfast together.
Yes, that sounds good.
Next topic about breakfast, school or work. Faleh, did you have breakfast already?
Yes, I had eggs and toast. And you?
I had cereal and some fruit. It was really good. Now I need to leave for work.
Don't forget your bag and water bottle.
Thanks, I'm ready now. See you later.
Have a good day.
Next topic, walking. What a nice morning, Faleh. The sun is shining and the air is fresh.
Yes, it's a perfect day to go to work.
Do you want to walk together for a few minutes?
Sure, let's talk about our plans for today.
I have English practice and then I will study math.
Sounds like a productive day.
Next topic is cooking. Faleh, today I'm going to cook rice and vegetables.
Can I help you?
Yes, please, can you chop the carrots?
Sure, what about the onions?
I will slice them. Thank you for helping.
Of course, I enjoy cooking with you.
Great. Let's make a delicious meal together.
I'm excited to eat it.
The next topic is cleaning. Faleh, I need to clean the living room today.
Can I help you vacuum the carpet?
Yes, please. I will dust the shelves and tidy up the sofa.
Okay, I will also wipe the windows after vacuuming.
Perfect. The room will be so clean and nice after this.
Yes, it's fun to clean together.
The next topic is shopping. Faleh, I need to go to the market to buy some vegetables and fruits.
Can I come with you?
Yes, it will be fun. We can buy fresh carrots, tomatoes, and apples.
Great, let's make a list before we go.
Good idea. That way we won't forget anything.
Let's go then.
The next topic, talking to family. Faleh, how was your day?
It was good. I finished my work and went for a walk.
That sounds nice. I also studied English and cooked lunch.
Great job. Keep practicing English every day.
Thank you. I will continue practicing. Learning English is fun.
Yes, it is. We are proud of you.
Next topic is relaxing hobby time. Now it's time to relax, Faleh. I will read a book and listen to some music.
That sounds peaceful. I might draw or paint for a while.
That's a great idea. It's important to relax and enjoy hobbies.
Yes, hobbies make the day more enjoyable.
Next topic is evening routine. It's almost time to sleep, Faleh. Today was a good day.
Yes, it was. Did you enjoy practicing English?
Yes, I did. I learned many new phrases and sentences today.
That's wonderful. Keep practicing and soon you will speak English confidently.
I will. I'm excited to speak even better tomorrow. Wow. Today we practiced many useful English phrases for daily life, from morning routines to school, cooking, cleaning, or hobbies, and talking to family. Remember to practice every day and speak English with your family or friends. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more English lessons. See you next time on Yalla English with Muna.